Welcome back. This is going to be a little bit different video than the others. In our studio here, I'm kind of going through the footage and realized we had a lot of extra footage just on the work we did on the Winch. So I decided to put together a little bit more informative video on how the Winch system works, mainly the brakes. That's the problem we're having with this. The mechanic we have working on it is a very skilled John Deere mechanic, knows quite a bit about this machinery. And this video is going to be a little bit more laid back, a lot more wordy, not as much just loud music like we're used to. And hopefully you guys get something out of it. And if you like this kind of content, I hope you watch the whole episode. Thanks. It's the flux capacitor.
It's the flux capacitor.
Oh, good news. I think the spring looks fine.
Well, no.
Looks can be deceiving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seriously. On mine, that was the problem. I went through everything else on it.
This is what does all the braking. Yeah, that's pretty wet. Find a bolt.
Tommy's like, I'll never forget now.
He's used to it. See all the pictures I post. I would get my camera out.
Yeah.
It blows my mind. I gotta remember it.
Some interesting looking stuff in there. It's simple.
Seems kind of, yeah, seems kind of simple at the same time. Because they say even a stoner can understand this.
That's definitely not the first time you've taken one of these apart. See, my nut worked. You know where I found that? On the floor.
Now you're able to pull the band out, aren't you?
Yep. So we gotta start a fire, get that thing cooking. Dawn dish soap.
Dawn dish soap.
Yeah. So is that where the clutch pack is that engages to go forward too?
This?
Yeah.
And here is the clutch system. This is just the brake on the outside.
So what the hell's on the other side of the Winch?
Gears.
The gears over there.
Yep.
Are they brass?
Huh?
They're not brass, are they?
No.
No, they'll shred.
Yeah.
With the amount of force you put on those, you'd fucking blow apart grass.
I want to see what the gears look like, man.
Fuck you, I know.
Is there oil on that side?
Yes.
Okay, so that's gear oil over there.
Nope.
No?
Hydraulic oil.
Hydraulic oil.
Nope.
So hydro runs over there as well?
Nope.
Okay.
So it doesn't...
Drain right here. Drains right here.
And now where's the fill level mark?
Okay.
I don't know.
You just look in there, that looks great!
Yep.
Okay.
Let's start.
I don't know, there might be something in there that, you know, in the book it'll tell you line it up with this shaft or bubble, you know what I'm saying? They put it level to this or level to that.
We got a big old plug right here where the fill is, so probably just up to that, I guess.
Yeah, there might be a fill a fill plug too.
Yeah, it fills like halfway down it. Oh no, there's a thing on the top too, but I think that's just for inspecting it. I don't know. Yeah, it's probably fill over right up here in the top, and then you take this plug out over here.
Looks like somebody's done in this. So, when you take this back out, keep this jam nut where it was because it'll move. Try not to move it. You're going to tighten this back down, tighten this down, tighten this down.
This holds whatever tension, that's your
Right,
adjuster.
that's your adjustment. So if it needs to go, you know, looser, you got to go out with it. And if it's tighter, you got to tighten it. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Right? Yep.
It's a bad idea to pull this out.
No, right to tighten, left to, yeah. Left to tighten. Just gotta draw the bolt to tighten it.
Broke off right there. This must have been rebanded at some point or something.
Well, somebody probably made it. It looks like.
Yeah, made it.
Welt.
Yeah. Somebody made that. Those are just washers on there that they welded on.
What the fuck? No, someone was pretty smart.
Yeah, you're right.
No, it's nice. It really is nice. Actually.
Well, they might have modified one that was already kind of close, right? Or something like that.
Maybe. I don't know.
Tommy's like, if it works, just
Yeah, if it's
They
dumb.
welded it right there and ground it down.
Yeah.
Oh, yep, I see that. No shit.
Yeah, if it's dumb but it works, it's not dumb, right?
Yeah.
Those are definitely soaked oily. Should fucking bake it up. Bake it up.
should have started a fire when you got here then.
I had to do that at the other landing tomorrow.
No, 'cause I want to put it back.
Oh, you want to put it back together today? Right now? I don't know why I'm carrying this spring around. Well, the other guys got this pretty much all cleaned up. Some weird alien technology going on in there. I'm going to hopefully put this thing back together. See what happens. Mm-hmm.
I think that's hot.
Yeah, it's super hot.
Now we just gotta let it bake down.
Flames tickling his tarp.
Yeah, I know. Who's gonna do it?
We'll see if our dinner's ready. Pretty cool. Is it any drier?
Oh yeah, feel it.
Wow, that's gritty feeling. That's weird. Didn't feel like that before. It was all smooth.
Definitely not as oily.
Well, it was at first, and maybe it just stopped bubbling like it was because it was starting to dry out. But it was, I don't know.
I heard you can bring these to like a big rig shop and have them relined if you ever needed. That's what I was told.
Yeah, I mean, I got lining that I mean, I would really rip it back on, honestly. So, I mean, this was glued, but
Some heavy glue for it to withstand the fire though.
Looks like it's got metal in it. Dude, that might be gold. Want to scrap that fucker?
no, it's brass.
Brass.
Should have told him I should.
Yeah, I know. Now he's gonna scrap the thing.
Shiny.
The brass is softer than the drum itself.
Yeah. That's neat. Wonder how much that fucker cost.
$400 and something.
That sounds about right.
I looked it up already. Had it quoted. You already spray that? Wipe it.
That's what I was looking for.
Oh, I probably got another one in my truck.
Well, it's going back together, boys. I'm not sure how we're going to test it. Hook it onto the dozer. Dozer battery's dead. Should probably pull that out and charge it.
I never got caught like you did though. That's the difference. You went a little all out.
Reminiscing about the good old days while you're up to your armpits in a greasy clapped out machine. Couldn't ask for a better day. What is good?
Putting the old spring back in.
Oh, give me, yeah. What are you doing to me, Jimmy?
You did it!
No,
Oh, they're all in the same box.
they need this one and this one.
I know, you handed me this one.
Yep.
That's Tommy. Tommy threw it in there.
I don't know, Tommy.
What I do now?
Tommy 2 and Tommy 1.
The Tommies. Well, technically Tommy 1, you know him longer than me probably.
Yeah, that's why he's 1.
Oh. Well, you got us confused already.
No, Tommy 1 and Tommy 2.
It's Tommy Tron 2000.
Oh, okay, Tommy Tron. And then Tommy. John Deere Tommy. There's too many Tommies and there's too many James.
Yeah, my middle name is James.
I know, that's
Tom
why I said there's too many James.
Be Tom Deere. Is that John Deere? Tom Deere?
There-
Well, Tom Deere. John Deere. Don't say the E. For some reason. Need that brake? Need that brake?
You're talking smack about it.
It looks nice now.
It looks a lot better than it did. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That sleeve that went in there too. Or some of the inside of winches I've seen. You gotta sit there and fucking heat it up, knock shit out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like we're assembling a nuclear weapon.
Why aren't you going in?
Oh, feels like it's on.
This is a fucking stupid door.
Oh, the other side wasn't lined up. And then what, the cover just holds it in place?
Yep.
Gotcha.
You can keep that bolt, man. You can just have that.
Oh, we're gonna need it.
Oh.
Might need it. Better put that in your special tools bin.
Fucking welder right here.
The fucking welder right there.
Yeah, special.
Right? We're never gonna remember. You're gonna be going through that. What the fuck is this bolt for?
I don't throw it off in the scrap pile.
Just throw in the scrap pile now.
You've done shit like that, alright, Tommy?
Oh, yeah.
Start. I know you have.
Cord and stuff, and then end up getting rid of it years later.
Yeah, and then the next day you need something. Like, dude, I just put that on the fucking short steel pile.
The time to dig through the tin pile.
You didn't move that adjuster, did you? Remember how you harassed me about it?
Nope, I moved it like 10 feet. Is that the next thing you need? Oh, it's not here. Oh, that must be that thing that fell down.
No rag.
No, that was a rag.
We got everything for in here in that little tray.
So he doesn't need me to grab anything. I don't see the adjuster. It's gone. Oh, it's on it. Duh. I'm living my life 1/4 mile at a time.
What'd you do? Yeah, nothing. I think I just forgot one step.
setting the time delay on the bomb. That's the thing, that thing in there is spinning around in circles while you're yanking that cable up in there. So what are you going to do to test it? Try to pull the dozer over here?
I know, right?
See if you can jump start the dozer by pulling it with the winch.
Nah. That's a lot of gear reduction. Yeah, I know. I'd be afraid to shred something. It'd probably handle it.
No.
No?
Just put it in high gear and tow it.
Then we could have a little tow challenge.
I know, right?
I think the skidder would win. The skidder's a lot bigger than the dozer.
Oh, you got dead weight that's gripping.
Yeah, true.
There's shit in there, so you gotta clean it out.
There's the shit in there.
She's coming together.
Ooh,
Oh.
there's shit in there.
Dude, ah!
Oh, man. That's a good find, huh?
Something fucking chucked out of there. I wonder if the winch will work better now. What came out?
I don't know.
You're like, dude, it's splatted on something.
That sounds pretty clear now.
Yeah,
Shot over onto this thing.
something came out.
The question is, where'd it come from?
Part of a O-ring that's missing.
Well, there is an oil filter on there. Have you changed it?
Yeah. Once.
These springs, they look shorter than these springs.
Yeah.
A little bit.
They're cleaner.
They're definitely about, you know, a couple fucking. Okay.
Oh, really? They're
They're different.
No, they're the same, but they are stretched a little bit.
Right, these stand taller when you try to match. No, I think there's a lot of different things that ended up being one big thing. The springs, whatever the fuck was in that tube.
Whatever the fuck was in that tube.
Dude, seriously.
This skidder's kind of like...
I thought he was trying to spit a spitwad at me. That's what it fucking reminded me of. Back in the day, you're like, dude, who did it?
That sound like a...
You don't even know if it hit you, and you're still like, who fucking shot that?
Sound like a 22 going off, man.
There's a big lot of something in there. Those are good, damn sure.
A couple of steps before I put the thing together and see if it works at all. That'd be fine.
Are we gonna have to adjust the band?
Alright, we're going to conduct a test here for adjusting the brake on the skidder. Let's see if it'll pull me. Still slipping. Well, this is gonna probably wrap up the show. Just cooking this here brake shoe. I'm not sure how to flip it. It's all covered in grease. It's not brake shoe. It's actually part of the winch on the skidder. It's all covered in grease and oil, and we got it dried out, so hopefully the thing will break for it's made up. It's really hot, and I got to turn it over. But this is probably going to wrap up our last maintenance episode for a little while. We're getting into the firewood, and then hopefully, keeping our fingers crossed, this guy can put this thing back together and just kind of, so we can kind of limp it along until processing season comes along, and the skid will be down for a couple of months. But keeping our fingers crossed. With good lives, we should have, hopefully this will work out. Without us having more downtime. Money's one thing, downtime's the worst. But if you like these kind of stuff and you want to see more of it, subscribe to our channel. We also would appreciate the thumbs up if you like this episode. We really enjoy doing this, and we like bringing you guys along with us. Show you a little bit of what we do. It's fun for us, and maybe a little bit of fun for you. So on that, I want to wish you guys a great week. Enjoy the sun, and never forget, don't take life too seriously. We'll see you later.